So let's look at the first one. Tell me what you did.
So 3x plus 4 equals 22.
Okay.
So I did 3x plus 4 minus 4 equals 22 minus 4. 22 minus 4 equals 18. So 3x equals 18. So then 3x over 3 equals 18 over 3.
Okay.
X equals 6.
X equals 6. Okay, that's correct. Correct. Okay, let's look at the second one.
Negative 5x minus 8 equals 17. So you're supposed to do the opposite. Negative 5x minus 8 plus 8 equals 17 plus 8.
Okay.
And 17 plus 8 equals 25, so negative 5x equals 25. Then negative 5x over negative 5 equals 25 over negative 5. And x equals negative 5.
Okay. Correct. Okay, so that concludes what we did yesterday. So yesterday what we did was we looked at two-step equations containing multiplication, right? So today we are looking at two-step equations containing division. Okay, so let's do that.